Good morning, guys. So for today's video, we are switching things up a little bit and I'm doing a gym vlog. I did post a vlog a couple weeks ago and you guys seemed to really like it and I really enjoyed filming it. So I want to do some more kind of vlog content. Going to the gym and fitness is a big part of my life, so I wanted to just kind of share that with you today, take you along with me to the gym. So you guys saw I had my coffee, I had my breakfast sandwich, so now I am fueled and ready for the gym. I'm still getting ready, but before we get started, this video is kindly sponsored by Native. I thought that this video would be a perfect opportunity to talk about Native deodorant because we all wear deodorant, and especially going to the gym, you want to feel good and not smell. So what I love about this deodorant is that it's 100% plastic free. You can see the packaging here. It's literally all cardboard. It makes me feel good knowing that I'm making a difference by reducing single-use plastic, especially by using a product that we all use every single day. So this deodorant is the exact same formula as their regular deodorant, just with more sustainable packaging. I love supporting Native because they are committed to sourcing paper for the packaging from responsibly managed forests. This deodorant is non-sticky and it dries quickly. It has simple ingredients such as shea butter and coconut oil. The deodorants are aluminum-free, paraben-free, vegan, and cruelty-free, and they offer 24 hours of odor protection. So I got the scents charcoal, which is the one that I use, coconut and vanilla, and then cotton and lily from the sensitive line, which is the one that my boyfriend's been using. So let me just pop on my deodorant really quick. Again, you just slide off that and then you just kind of push up the bottom to get the deodorant out and apply. So easy. Native has a range of scents and they're always releasing new limited edition scents, so you're sure to find a favorite. So if you want to check out Native, you can use the code BRIGHT to get 3 plastic-free deodorants for only $26, and you can also get 20% off any body wash or toothpaste with my code as well. Okay, here is a quick little outfit check. Both my sports bra and leggings are from Amazon. Super cute. I'm gonna link both of these down below. I have my Apple Watch on, my necklace. Now let's head to the gym. Okay. Excuse you. Ready? Oh. Okay, so I totally realized that I kind of forgot to finish and wrap up the vlog, so I went to the gym, and then after the gym I had my post-workout meal. I've been following, I think his name is Coen, I think is how you pronounce it, on TikTok and Instagram, and he makes the most delicious, affordable meal prep videos. So I made his garlic fried rice and I had some shrimp on the side. Such a good meal, macro-friendly, highly recommend checking him out. I'll link his Instagram and TikTok down below because I follow his recipes like weekly. I make probably 2 or 3 of his recipes a week. So I had that after the gym. You saw we played with Rue a little bit and that was it. So I know this is kind of a short and chill gym vlog, but I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It's fun for me to start sharing this kind of gym fitness side of me to you guys because I just love the gym, like I said, so I want to share more of it with you. So let me know if you like this video and if you want to see more of it. Again, thank you to Native for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna leave my coupon code BRIGHT and all the information down below linked if you want to check out Native. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.